What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's video. So this video, we are headed to SEMA. So we're starting today's video out in Reno, Nevada, and that's because we had to trailer the R8 out of California. So we just got to Nevada, we've been riding in the C8 Corvette, and now that we're here out of California, we can hop into the R8 and we're gonna drive all the way down to SEMA. Today is gonna be day one, which is gonna be Thursday, and then tomorrow's video is gonna be day two, which is gonna be Friday at SEMA. So we're gonna divide it up into two videos. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
That's a GPR cap right there, baby!
It's been so long. I literally wasn't even planning on stopping and like talking about any of the drive down to Vegas because that can be really boring, but we saw this crazy place and we just had to pull over and take some pictures. So let's go explore. We're just here in front of this building and dude, check this out. Everything has just been completely destroyed. Like, I think that was a kitchen island. Like, this used to be someone's house. In its prime, when these were just built, who were they built for and what were they built for? Here's just like a little bit more quick glance. I don't want to take up too much of your guys' time with this, but we were just kind of like tripped out because it's in the middle of nowhere. And literally like that right there, that's the freeway. So we just saw it and we're like, okay, let's turn off and try to get some pictures. So this had to have been someone's house. Like, there's a couch in there, there's a bed in there. Like, it's just like the tiniest little community that's just kind of been abandoned. Let's get back in the car and get back on the road. I'm getting a little creeped out here because the sun's starting to go down. All right, well, here we are in the room. Let's just do a quick tour. We got Andrew on the couch. I guess he's sleeping and laughing. Bed. That's it. Windows, that's it. There you go. Tour is done. We finally made it to SEMA. This is day one for us. It's Thursday. We are here. We got a Mark IV Supra. We got an NSX. These cars are looking so sick. I'm really excited to be here. I'm really happy to bring you guys along. We're gonna check out all these cars, so stick around because we got a lot of awesome content coming up. Yo, check this out. I feel like I've gone back to the past. But, dude.
Would you get yourself one of these?
I would drive the shit out of one of these. I'd be one of those guys. It's like, how many miles are on your DeLorean? 200,000.
I think they're one inside.
But then I would go back in time to when it only had like 1,000 miles. And then I would go back to the future with 1,000 miles and then I would sell it.
There you go.
So as I mentioned before, this is my first time at SEMA. I don't even know what to expect, but there is so much stuff here and I'm gonna try to show you guys as much as possible, but it's probably not gonna happen in a very organized fashion because there is way too much going on. Everything that I see, I'm like, should I put this in the vlog or not? But what I really wanna do is I wanna try to find all the stuff that I'm familiar with. So I want to try to find like all my friends, all like my favorite car companies. We're going to go try and find a bunch of stuff that we're familiar with. Well, what do we have here? Oh yeah. If you guys watched the latest TJ Hunt video, you'll know exactly what this is. Yo, we're gonna go check out HKS. They have been around for a long time. That's like the old school JDM stuff.
How do you feel with this matte wrap they got going on right now on all their cars?
Honestly, I like it. Matte black with gloss red. I mean, this gloss black looks good too. It all just looks good. It looks donkers, man. It looks.
Is that what it says? Oh, it does say that. Donkers.
Yeah, it looks donkers. Yes. Yes. I can hear it and it's not even on.
Yeah, imagine they have to like turn this thing on in the convention center.
Bro, it would like blow this like thing down.
We getting one?
One day, this will be my daily driver. I don't know, man. SVJ or 720S?
Ooh, that's really
I'm gonna
hard.
go SVJ anyways.
All right, well, if you get an SVJ, I'll get a 720 then, okay?
Okay, deal.
It's cheaper for me.
Deal. Shake on it.
Shake the camera. Yeah. Is that a 458 or is that F8?
I would say it's a 458, but
No, I think that's an F8.
I don't know anything.
You know your Ferrari? I don't even think it's an F8. actually.
I'm too much of a peasant to know anything about these
Yeah.
cars.
So you don't really look up stuff when you can't afford it, you know what I mean? It doesn't make any sense.
I mean, there's like a give and take. I look up plenty of stuff I can't afford.
I guess that's true.
I can like hear this whole booth.
Yeah.
Just like,
What is this thing? Is this a wide body Aventador? Is that what this is?
yeah, Liberty Walk wide body Aventador.
Wow. Oh, and carbon too. Look at the carbon doors.
Aventa carbon fiber door. No wonder they have to have this event be like a week long because there's so much stuff to see that you literally can't do it in like 1 or 2 days. Like, I'm very overwhelmed right now.
I think, what is that?
I don't even know.
I'm getting distracted. Is it Maserati?
It is a Maserati.
With the gull-wing doors?
Is it the MC20 or
Is that
something? Oh, there's another Liberty Walk.
Wow. What do you say, MC20?
Yeah,
Oh, it is,
MC20, yeah. See,
But-
I know.
You know your code. But yeah, totally. I think there's like 5 or 6 halls here, and like each
Jeez.
hall, it takes up like a day.
Yeah.
Wow, look at P1 over there too.
I really wanted to get
Roof box?
a roof box for the R8, but got bad news about the R8. Real bad news about the R8.
Uh-oh. New video coming out?
Yeah, stay tuned for that one.
Wow, look at that, guys. It's a P1 wrapped in crazy, crazy color.
Bro, that looks so crazy.
Yeah, they did like a weird like matte wrap that like kind of had dots on it too.
Yeah, I like it.
You like it? I think it's not street legal. I think it's a race car.
Apparently, all R8s aren't street legal.
Oh. More hints.
Check this out. Boom, TJ Hunt with another car. Damn, that looks clean. Sheesh.
But we are now out here at SEMA.
Dude, this Supra looks clean. Yo, we're in some JDM territory. Look at these wheels. Oh, I love it.
You like the 3-spoke?
I think there's a time and a place for it.
Is this a time and a place?
On this car, yes. All right, guys, love it or hate it. What do you think about this wrap? I personally think it's pretty neat. Let me try to illustrate just how big this place is. We have been walking and walking and walking and walking, and it just keeps on going.
Yo, what did we just see?
Morning.
Wow.
I can't see.
Always
Hell
gotta be
yeah.
one Fast and Furious Supra. I don't see very often. For some
Dude,
reason,
I
see a
did
lot
not
of these
expect to
Supras.
turn the corner and see this one also.
But seeing the Fast and Furious R34, that you don't see very often. Look at that thing. It looks really cool.
I'm feeling awfully nostalgic right now. Like this video if you're feeling nostalgic right now. Also, like this video if you're not feeling nostalgic.
A dark green like this.
I think you should do this color on your car because I think this color looks really good. But
I wa-
you also have to do a wing that big because I was looking for... Oh, it's okay. You're good. You're good.
You were looking for a wing like that?
No, I was actually just looking for a place to sleep if I was homeless, and I found my park bench right there.
Look at this like little piece right here. It's like,
I like it.
it's interesting, huh? But yeah, I want to do this color with like bronze.
That would look sick with bronze too.
Finding all the TJ Hunt's cars and seeing.
I know, I was gonna say, I guess the theme of today's video is how many TJ Hunt cars can we find at SEMA?
Oh my God, Matt Armstrong.
So here's another one.
Can you?
All right, what do you guys think of this? Let's take a closer look. Let me know. I just realized that it's an RX-7.
Oh, it is, yeah.
The 240.
It is? Hey, Ruben, we finally found it. We found your car. Oh, Clarity Auto Works, Fast Intentions, Inazatec, Toyo, Rohana, all this stuff. Elite Audio and Tint. Ah, Ruben, your car looks freaking insane. You look like such a successful YouTuber. I love it. So we finally found Ruben's car, Mr. Be Distinct, and at some point tomorrow, I'm gonna come here, hopefully when he's at his car, and I'm gonna try to do a quick little interview so he can give us a walk around and all the details of all the work that he's done to this car, because he's done so much stuff to this car. It's insane. Got another one, and another one. So Triple Z. Look at this paint job. I saw the video where they were just like smashing paint on this car. All right, I dig it.
How did
I actually really like it.
How did they get it to stick?
They just take paint and they just throw it on it.
And it's like, what if it washes off?
Then it washes off, I guess. I don't know.
Huh, very cool.
I dig it though.
I would love to see that video. I'm gonna have to look that up.
Yeah, look him up. Turtle_S650. He's got like 100,000 something followers.
Wait, did it used to be mint before? Like that's the color of the paint?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, I think I did know.
Yeah, he used to shoot flames through pumpkins.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that makes sense. Although this looks like a different car, no?
Yeah, because he
a new
used
car.
to be S550, now
Yeah,
he's
this is a new
S650.
new
Yeah.
GT, so that,
Yeah.
he probably still has the other one.
God. Oh, look at that exhaust. Look at these turbos up in there.
Does that look familiar?
No, mine's stock. What are you talking about? Yeah. Is there anything in my teeth? Wow. That's all I can say is wow. Man, I need to get another GTR and put this kit on it. Sheesh. This looks so good. I feel like I kind of let you guys down with my GTR now after seeing like all the awesome GTRs that are here. Like this thing looks so good. Look at that. It's too good. We are done with day one at SEMA, and let me tell you, I am exhausted. There is so much walking, there's so much to see, there's so much to do. We didn't even do half of SEMA today. So tomorrow we're gonna hit the 3 other halls. There's more stuff to see outside. But with all that being said, today's video has come to an end. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed this installment of the 30 videos in 30 days. But with all that, I'm done. I'm out of breath, and I'm out of here.